Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you love being active and well hydrated, check out this vest. This is the 5-liter hydration vest by SEMSTY, and it is the perfect outdoor companion. It is not very big, but it just offers so much storage and hydration abilities. It has an attachment with a clip that you can attach important things like your keys and stick it in the pocket. It's got a whistle in case of emergencies. And this has so many pockets on the vest straps. You can fit so much: a protein bar, tissues, an extra water bottle if you want. It has a big pocket in the front, and then behind that, it has the hydration pouch, which it comes with this amazing high quality hydration bladder. It is so easy to open and close, to fill up, to clean, and it gives you 2.5 liters of refreshing water when you're on a hike, you're running, or if you are working. Very often we're cleaning parking lots or doing landscaping, and it's hard to carry a water bottle on with you. So this is great for you to just be able to strap on. It's so comfortable, it doesn't get in the way, and it doesn't take long to take a moment, get some water, and go back to your job and get your work done. This is just such an easy thing to throw on, go out, and enjoy the outdoors. But that's just my point of view.